new brands, new products, a Labor Day sale, and a new face to the team. We have so much to cover, let's just jump right into the topics. Hey guys, I'm Matt from Nelly Security, and we have so many brands and products that we're bringing on right now. I'm gonna get into that, but first, we have a cool announcement. We have a new member to our team, Zach.
What's up? I'm Zach. We've got some fun ideas planned. I'm excited to be part of the team.
With Zach now a part of the content team, we'll be able to put out more videos for you guys, so make sure you're subscribed to see more security content. We've recently brought on two really awesome security brands, L-Series and Suprema. L-Series is our new cost-efficient, user-friendly, and brandable video surveillance option for small to mid-size installs. With a variety of form factors, 4K and 5 megapixel cameras, and a wide assortment of 4K NVRs to choose from, L-Series has a lot to offer. Check out the L8T-DT. This 4K turret has red and blue active deterrence lights, along with a built-in mic and speaker for two-way audio, white floodlights for 24/7 color, and AI-powered intelligent events. Check out the complete L-Series lineup of products in the link down in the description. Our other new brand we brought on is Suprema. They're an access control manufacturer based out of South Korea, specializing in AI-based biometrics. Here at Nelly Security, we are carrying two high-tech facial recognition access control readers, the Bio W3 and the Bio Station 3 readers. We also have 4 other outdoor-rated RFID readers, and 2 of them have fingerprint scanners, and even 1 has a pin pad as well. We also have the Suprema Core Station Intelligent Biometric Door Controller that will be able to handle up to 500,000 users with an incredible fingerprint matching speed of up to 400,000 matches per second. Super powerful, super smart. This is really the future of access control. Finally, the last thing we're carrying is the Secure IO2 module, providing an extra layer of safe encryption for your Suprema setups. We're just so elated to bring you guys Suprema. We're about to bring on another huge manufacturer to the Nelly's lineup. The brand is, drumroll please, Digital Watchdog. Digital Watchdog has been doing some revolutionary stuff in the video surveillance world, especially with the cloud. It's honestly very groundbreaking, and I'm so excited for you guys to learn more about the products they have. We're launching this partnership very soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see the videos that will be dropping on the DW ecosystem in the near future. Okay, so if you guys haven't already heard on our social media, there is a Labor Day sale going on right now. All the products are Uniview. We have 18 security cameras and 13 network video recorders on sale. There's Alview Plus, a wide assortment of 4 megapixel and 4K turrets, as well as a variety of 4K NVRs ranging from 4 channel all the way up to 64 channels. We also have a number of non-branded Uniview security cameras and recorders. And since the sale is strictly for members of our dealers program, that means you'll be able to brand your company logo and contact info right onto the products themselves for no extra charge. And that's free brand exposure for yourself. This sale is dealers only, so if you're not a Nelly's dealer already, you can learn more at nellysecurity.com/dealers. It's free, quick, and easy to join. And once you're a member, you gain access to special dealer pricing, exclusive webinars, lifetime tech support, and you gain access to our free branding program, as well as other perks. If you're an installer, it's definitely worth looking into. The Uniview Labor Day sale is ending at midnight on September 15th, so make sure you take advantage of it while it's still here. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like for us, leave some comments down below telling us what you're excited about or what kind of content you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.